Everything seems fine, alright? But if you look a little deeper, we're gonna see that these people are in great danger. These are some of the breeding sites of the most dangerous animal in the world. The Aedes aegypti. Mosquitoes have killed more than all the other animals, including humans. Dengue have caused thousands of victims. In Brazil, according with the World Health Organization, in the last 3 years, more than 3 million cases have been registered. Some other countries of America have alarming numbers too. In 2016, Paraguay, Colombia and Mexico had more than 100,000 registered cases. Chikungunya also have made victims in Brazil. In 2016, almost 300,000 were registered, a disease that has sequelae for a long time. And Zika, a disease related with microcephaly, in 2016, Brazil have registered more than 200,000 cases of Zika, and between 2016 and 2017, 26,000 of cases in pregnant women were registered. Colombia and the USA also have dangerous numbers of this disease, by having more than 6,000 and 2,000 cases in pregnant women respectively. In addition to this disease, a new epidemic of yellow fever is alarming the inhabitants, which can also be transmitted by Aedes aegypti. More than 300 cases of deaths from this disease have been reported across the country. There are already projects aimed at ending mosquito outbreaks, such as the awareness campaigns that are made, and city officials go through houses to clean up the outbreaks. It seems to be working, but every year new epidemics appear, causing more victims of this disease and leaving the lives of thousands of people worse. And now, how do we solve this problem? Well, we have the solution. A system for recognizing Aedes aegypti mosquitoes outbreaks using images collected by drone. This system works on a post-processing of video recorded by a camera on the drone flying above. A phantom tool made by DJI company. These drone files according with the flight plan made in a mobile app available by the company, thinking about the place we want to monitor. Our team have worked on a creation of a huge database of images that shows some of the breeding grounds of Aedes aegypti. We recorded videos with the drone's camera in different scenarios and used these images to know the breeding place and create our database. In total, including tires and places with water, like water tanks and puddles, we have more than 65,000 of images. First of all, with this bunch of images, we did some types of feature extraction, like edge detection and grayscale, to separate what's a tire, for example, from what is not. After acquiring some important knowledge about the breeding places, We have trained an artificial intelligence to learn characteristics from those objects and make possible to identify them in the video with a lot of other things. We have tested some computer vision and machine learning techniques, and the better results were obtained by using an algorithm known as random forest. That is what we are using in our system at this very moment. All of these were developed using Python with OpenCV, library of computer vision, and SAP, a library of Python that contains functions of artificial intelligence and computer vision too. With it, we get a high level of hits. That means mosquitoes
shall not pass!
Besides that, our system is capable of informing the approximate geographic position of the mosquito breeding by using the GPS registered from the drone and the output of the detection system. We can have the approximate position of the objects. So, we give to the users a report of all the breeding places found and their locations on the map, making possible to clean the place. We hope this work will ensure that all people can have a healthy and risk-free life due to the mosquito. We take care of you up here. Thank you.